Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. So friend, this video is so beautiful. Before starting the video, I requested all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow it, just to press the bell icon. You can see how beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. Please like the video. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. You get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. These gloves is so amazing and sophisticated design. So find this video, it's so beautiful, gorgeous design. These gloves is so amazing. These dresses, it's amazing and gorgeous ideas. So find this video, most attractive and enhanced designs हैं. अमेजिंग एंड गॉर्जियस वीडियोस को देखा करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना एंड डिज़ाइंस को फॉलो करना. आगे इसमें बोलेगा इस तरह के क्रोशिया के जो मोस्ट अट्रैक्टिव आइडियाज़ होते हैं, जो कि काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव और एलिगेंट से होते हैं. आई होप कि आपको टोटली डिज़ाइंस पसंद आ रहे होंगे. लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा विद न्यू अमेजिंग एंड गॉर्जियस डिज़ाइन. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends, and inshallah wishes I like our videos. If you want any videos related to any different patterns, you get many ideas from this video. So friend, this video is so amazing. Let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. If you guys are interested in my videos, you got many ideas from this video. Share it with your friends and family members. So thanks for watching my videos. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you later.